How to know if someone unfriended you on Snapchat. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can know if someone has unfriended you on Snapchat. Well, to do so, first you want to go ahead and open up Snapchat. Once you have opened up Snapchat, you can head over to the chat section down below and head over to the chat. Now basically you can see I'm friends with them. In case if you have the chats available, if someone has unfriended you, you can see you can get the option to send snap or send chat, right? If someone has unfriended you, you'll find the cross icon like this, so which means this user has unfriended me. So if I open up the chat here, or if I open up the profile, I should not be able to see the details such as their snap streak, their snap score and such. However, if I open up another user that is friend with me, I'll be able to see their birth date, I'll be able to see their sign, and I'll be able to see their snap score. However, if someone has unfriended you, you'll find the cross icon, and also if you head over to their profile, you won't be able to see any such details. So this is the way on how you can know if someone has unfriended you on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe.